Welcome to Alton Towers Resort and welcome to our Nemesis update. We're back again for the first week of June like we were in the first week of May to give you an update on the progress on the site. Now we do know some more track has been installed, hopefully we can get sight of that, but we thought today we would start out here in the car park. Now as you can see, quite a lot of it's been unloaded actually. You can see they've been working on it all night because he is here now still unloading and getting ready to take the trucks back, arguably for more. There's far less track out here now than what there was last time we were here, but far more supports. So this is piece 38 and 39. Comment below what pieces you think these are, but again, getting close to them, seeing them up. I even see them when they're manufactured, look, quite a long time ago now these were put together. So we're going to have a quick walk around the site area here and show you the supports that were here before heading into the park and showing you update on the actual site. Huge amount of supports down here, absolutely huge amounts. Also it said this is being made in the Ohio plant out in America. If the straps don't give it away saying USA, as Cody pointed out, the date does, as they obviously have the month and the day the opposite way round. But there's a lot of supports here. Loads. And another piece of track as well. That's a twist and a half, isn't it, that piece? I think this is the piece that has been here for a while now. Although it is now, everything seems to be fully unwrapped. Nothing seems to be arriving wrapped. Or if it is, they're unwrapping it quite quickly. You can see just how much has been unloaded here, as there is lots and lots of space. And indeed, the truck is out of here. So yeah, lots of work gone here at Alton Towers. Let's head into the site now and have a look. Standing on the observation tower, you can see the two supports which we brought you first here last time, which are here. And then down to the station area where the electrics have actually been stripped out.
Oh, Dad, it picked up something.
Yeah. Also, we do see the tentacle at the back has been removed. Actually expecting the structure to change considerably.
I see it's hard.
But a lot of work is ongoing on the site.
So there are elements of track that give you
There we have it from inside the park on the viewing tower and around the viewing tower. There is Nemesis. A lot more track on site, a lot more work going on. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think? Let us know. Nemesis under construction again for 2024. We can't wait. We can't wait. Thanks for joining us on UK Theme Parks. We'll see you next time.